Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today on Asima Jawad's Legal Alchemy, we are going to unravel the essence of government by exploring its three main branches. You can also call them as the organs of the government, and we are going to understand the three main organs or branches of the government. So let's dive into this. Yep, so we are going to study these three branches one by one. The first one that we have is legislative branch. So the definition of the legislative branch is the one that is responsible for making the laws. So it is a very vital part of the government, and this branch is basically where laws are born and the lawmakers draft and discuss proposals, and by this process the laws are made. And this branch is basically for the very important for the representation. By this I mean that this branch serves as the collective voice of the people, reflecting their interests and concerns, and this branch is very crucial because it is like a channel for citizens' concerns to be voiced and addressed. And the function of this branch is the main and the primary function is to draft, debate, and pass laws that shape our society. The second organ of the government, or the second branch of the government, you can say, is executive branch. So the definition of this branch is the branch responsible for putting laws into the action. So the leadership of this branch is typically headed by the prime minister or president, depending on the country's structure. Main function of this branch is to execute policies and decisions, ensuring the day-to-day functioning of the government. And the day-to-day governance involves managing various aspects, from public services to crisis response, etc. The third and the last final branch of the government is the judicial branch. You can also say it as a judiciary, and the definition of it is the branch that is responsible for interpreting and applying laws. So it is a very key component of the government, and it is headed by the Supreme Court usually. And the main functions of this branch includes the primary duties including interpreting the constitution and laws and acting as a check on other branches through judicial review. And the importance of this branch is that it is very fundamental in maintaining a system of checks and balances. The Supreme Court and other judicial bodies act as interpreters of our legal framework, and the judicial review here ensures that government actions align with constitutional principles. I told that it is the function of this branch, judicial review, so I explained it a little bit more. And yeah, that's it for the organs slash branches of the government, but I have added here the picture also to explain the three branches further so that everything is very clear. The first one that we have here is Parliament. So the Parliament mainly has a power to make and change laws. It serves as the legislative branch responsible for making and passing laws. It consists of elected representatives who voice the concerns and needs of the people they represent, and through debates and discussions, they contribute to the creation of laws that reflect the collective will of the society. The second branch that we have is executive branch, and it has a power to put laws into action. This branch is mainly tasked with implementing and enforcing the laws that the parliament make, that is the legislative branch. And the executive branch includes the president or prime minister and their appointed ministers and officials. Their role mainly is to execute and administer policies, ensuring that the laws passed by the parliament are effectively put into practice for the benefit of the citizens. Lastly, we have the judiciary branch. It has a power to make judgments on the laws that are passed by parliament, and it acts as a check and balance on the other branches, making sure that their actions align with the principles of justice. And the courts and judges play a very crucial role here in this judiciary in resolving legal disputes and upholding the rule of law. Together, these all three branches form a system of governance that aims to create a harmonious and fair society. Yeah, in this last slide, I have added like a bonus point for this topic about the harmony of the organs or the branches of the government. By this, I mean that the beauty lies in the harmony of these three branches of the government, where each plays a very distinct yet interconnected role. The government works well because it has these three parts: legislative, executive, and judiciary. They all do different jobs, but they team up to make sure that no one gets too powerful. It's like you can say a teamwork that keeps things fair and flexible for everyone. In summary, we can say that the strength of a well functioning government is found in the teamwork of its three main parts, where each part has a unique role, but together they create a system that ensures fairness and adaptability, making the government effective for all. And it's like a puzzle where every piece fits perfectly, forming a strong and balanced picture of governance. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed diving into the world of government branches with me. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. And until next time, this is me, Asima Jawad, signing off. Take care, stay curious, and keep on learning. Allah Hafiz.